Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best sous vide machines in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a sous vide machines that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these sous vide machines, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At the number 1 sous vide is Anova sous vide machine. Anova precision cooker Wi-Fi, perfect to cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Serves up to 12. Fits on any pot. Adjustable clamp. The Anova precision cooker allows anyone to cook a restaurant quality meal at home. Our sous vide circulator is the perfect kitchen appliance for hands-off cooking of vegetables, meat and much more with consistent control and precision. We're so confident in our product, Anova backs it with a 2-year. Simply attach the precision cooker to any pot, add water, drop in desired food in a sealed bag or glass jar. Start cooking with the touch of a button. The sous vide cooker's timer and precise. At the number 2 vide machine is Breville Joule sous vide. Smallest, sleekest sous vide tool available at just 11 inches tall and 1.3 pounds, with streamlined white body and solid stainless steel cap and base. Visual doneness feature in the Joule app displays exactly how food cooks. Dinner comes out predictably perfect, every time. Vessel requirements, minimum water depth 1.5 inch. Works with 120 volts outlets only. Due to our precise heating technology, voltage transformers and converters can damage your Joule, and use outside of North America voids the warranty. And the last one is Inkbird Wi-Fi sous vide cookers. This Wi-Fi immersion circulator will free you and cook everywhere. Stay up to date on your cooking status without being in the kitchen. What's more, a nice design of this slow cooker is you can share the device with family or friends on app, no limit for multi-people connect. And preset values will be saved when power off. The basic setting procedure also can finished on the Sous cooker, only support 2.4 GHz router. No other equipment needed. Put the programmable precision cooker to any pot with water and drop your desired food in a sealed bag or glass jar.